Have you ever found yourself standing in front of the mirror, feeling defeated? You've tried every diet under the sun: keto, paleo, intermittent fasting, you name it. You've counted every calorie, logged every step, and yet nothing seems to change. It's frustrating, isn't it? You put in the effort, you follow the rules, and still, the scale doesn't budge. You're not alone in this struggle. Millions of people face the same daily battle, caught in a relentless cycle of fad diets and empty promises. It's exhausting, mentally and physically. But what if I told you that the problem might not be your willpower? What if the real issue lies deeper, within your biology? You see, many of us overlook the role that serotonin, the so-called happy hormone, plays in our weight management. It's not just about willpower, it's about balance. When your serotonin levels are off, it can lead to increased cravings, emotional eating, and a whole host of other challenges that make weight loss feel impossible. This is where Serotonin comes into play. Developed by Dr. Robert Posner, a board-certified physician with a passion for helping people reclaim their lives, Serotonin is a breakthrough solution that targets the biological roots of weight struggles. Imagine a product that doesn't just promise results, but actually works with your body's chemistry to help you manage cravings and support healthy weight loss. This isn't just another diet pill. It's a comprehensive approach to transforming your relationship with food. Countless success stories have emerged from those who have embraced Serotonin. Take Amy, for instance. She shed over 142 pounds and regained her confidence, crediting her transformation to this innovative solution. Her story is just one of many, showcasing how Serotonin has helped individuals not just lose weight, but also rediscover joy in their lives. It's about more than just numbers on a scale. It's about feeling good in your own skin. And let's not forget the endorsement from L. Jeffers Fowlkeys, MD, who praised Dr. Posner's approach for exceeding patient expectations. When a trusted physician backs a product, it adds a layer of credibility that's hard to ignore. Serotonin isn't just a trend. It's a scientifically backed method to address an underlying issue that many of us face. Now, you might be wondering about the logistics. Serotonin is available in various packages, allowing you to choose what best suits your needs. Whether you opt for a 1-month, 3-month, or 6-month supply, you'll find significant savings and exclusive bonuses. Packages start as low as $39 per bottle, and there's even a free Serotonin PM included to enhance your nighttime weight loss journey. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your life, making the process of weight loss feel less like a chore and more like a natural progression. And here's the best part. There's a risk-free 60-day satisfaction guarantee. You can embark on this journey with peace of mind, knowing that if it doesn't work for you, you have options. It's time to break free from the frustration of diets and calorie counting. Embrace a future where weight loss doesn't feel like an uphill battle, but a manageable part of your daily life. So why wait? Seize this moment to change your life. Your transformation is just a click away, and with Serotonin, you can finally experience the effortless weight loss you've been dreaming of. Don't let another day go by feeling defeated. Embrace the possibility of a healthier, happier you. Act now. Follow the link in the description to claim your discounted package today, and let's make this change a reality together.